Hello, AP. This is the week 2, I guess, introduction video. You have 4 assignments again this week. Assignments, and you can see here on the screen, assignments 5 and 6 are memory book essays 6 and 7. And then assignment 7, and they're out of order because I renumbered things. Assignment 7 is an annotation of a writing prompt. And in order to make this into a PDF, I had to just kind of take a picture of it and then trim it so you don't get the entire page. This is a prompt. I think it's the 2008 test. I chose this one because the first time I worked with this prompt, I was very underwhelmed. Frankly, it wants you to talk about how the author uses literary devices such as speech and point of view to characterize his experience. And I think finding that information, like basically my point here is I want you to dissect the prompt and then annotate this little chunk of text. And you're really going to have to work to find those literary devices, to find the devices that the author uses to make meaning. That's why I didn't give you this one as an actual writing prompt. So what I want at the end of this, and I made this as everybody can have a copy of this document, is I want to see it annotated with the things you find in it. And then you're going to need to come up with a thesis statement for this essay using what you found with the annotations. So you'll probably have to attach this document, which you can annotate in Kami or you can annotate in Google Docs, however you like, as well as a separate document with kind of your pre-writing. You do not need to write an essay for this one, though. The 8th assignment, the 4th assignment for the week is an essay. This is the 2009 prompt. Please note, you need to time yourself on this. This does nobody any good if you can write the beautiful essay, but it takes you 5 hours to do it. Remember, the entire test that you're going to take on May 11th or May 13th, whatever the day is, the entire test is 45 minutes. And so I assume at least, maybe 5 minutes of that time period may be the whole fill in your name or whatever kind of, business of filling things out or whatever. So I would not work off the assumption that you have more than 40 minutes to do the essay. So it is really important that you practice this in that time limit. Also, the PDF I gave you is the entire 2009 test. You're only doing question 2, which is on the 3rd page of the document. It is a character analysis, and it is emphasizing setting, I think. So obviously, whatever you're going to do to take the test, if you're planning to type, then you should type this. If you're planning to handwrite and take a picture, then you should handwrite and take a picture. I would say if you can type, if you have a Chromebook, if you feel like you can do the typing, I would do that simply because I think handwriting on these photographs, I'm not sure how that's going to work. So I would want to make it as easy as possible for my graders to grade the test. So if you can type, that would be my choice. I think that's everything. Those are the 4 assignments for the week. I will be grading and getting back to you with the ones that you did during the first week. And let me know if you have a problem.